Method's Soapbox is the first LEED Platinum certified factory in the industry. Okay, great, but what does that even mean? Short answer, the factory is green. Long answer, the factory creates less waste, uses less energy, and provides better working conditions for its employees than other factories.
So LEED is basically the most popular green building certification in the world. It was developed in 1993 by the U.S. Green Building Council, and it's since become an international standard for green building construction.
So we're here at Method's Soapbox factory in Chicago to see what it takes to go platinum.
Green office buildings in the U.S. are at an all-time high, and Chicago is the country's greenest city for the second year in a row. Buildings are considered officially green certified if they have an Energy Star label, LEED certification, or both. Nearly 70% of Chicago is green certified.
We were inspired by others in the community that had brought a wind turbine on site, and we went through the process of procuring one to produce as much energy as possible here in the Windy City.
The U.S. Green Building Council awards certification at 4 levels based on a point system. But the Soapbox Platinum distinction is the gold medal of certifications. Method's 85 points come from 5 things: location, materials, renewable energy, indoor environment quality, and innovation. The turbine provides half the factory's annual electric energy, while a set of solar trees and renewable energy from the grid provide the rest.
That was an investment, but as that investment pays off over time, it'll be the most efficient and freest energy available.
So that takes care of renewable energy. But what about the other 4 certification points?
It was a toxic site that we kind of renewed and regenerated.
The majority of the land the factory is built on has been restored to native prairie land, and that's open to the community. And the environment inside the factory is intentionally designed to keep employees happy and healthy. Skylights and large windows give workers more access to natural light, while also lowering the building's baseline energy use. And the paints, floorings, and adhesives are all made to keep the air quality high.
Probably the biggest impact for indoor quality of air and lighting for our team is actually the products that they make.
Method uses naturally derived, non-toxic ingredients in its products, and that's a choice that impacts factory workers as well as the consumer. As for innovation, Method partnered with Gotham Greens to build a 75,000 square foot greenhouse on top of the factory. That greenhouse produces 1 million pounds of food a year, and they sell that to stores and restaurants in the area. Method's other factory in Belgium, it's not LEED certified yet, but they say that's in the works. While all of these things can be good for the environment and community, it's ultimately part of a bigger business strategy. The Soapbox houses manufacturing, bottling, and distribution all under one roof, which cuts down on its carbon footprint and costs.
So it really kind of hits the trifecta for us, which is it's creating a great product that's good for people and for planet, but also really helps our business both top and bottom line.